In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Conversation View in Microsoft Outlook, a useful feature when you want to see your emails listed individually rather than grouped by conversation. Whether you're trying to find a specific email or simply prefer your inbox organized in a different manner, making this adjustment is straightforward and can greatly enhance your email management experience. So let's get started. First, you need to open Microsoft Outlook and navigate over to your inbox. This is typically the first screen you see when you launch Outlook, but if you're navigating from another area within the app, simply click on the mail icon to access your inbox efficiently. Once you're there, you'll notice the layout of your emails, which by default might be grouped by conversation, showing both the original message and replies in a single thread. While this can be a handy feature, it may not always suit your needs, so we'll walk through how to turn it off. Next, take your mouse pointer and click on the View tab located at the top of Outlook. This tab is your gateway to changing how your data is presented and offers various customizable options to tailor your view to your preferences. Once you click on the View tab, you'll see several options laid out across the ribbon. This header is conveniently designed to quickly access different viewing settings without wading through extensive menus. Within the View tab, your focus should be set on the option labeled Show as Conversations. This is the feature responsible for threading your emails into conversation groups. To initiate the change, simply click on Show as Conversations. If your messages are currently threaded in conversations, this action will toggle off the grouping, presenting each email as an individual entry in your inbox. You'll immediately notice the shift in how your emails are displayed, providing a clearer, list-based view. However, if toggling via Show as Conversations doesn't seem entirely straightforward, there's an additional step you can take. Click on Conversation Settings right next to it. This opens a drop-down menu where you can explicitly select Off, ensuring that Conversation View is disabled. Both these methods achieve the same outcome, but exploring these options can be beneficial for those who desire a deeper understanding of view customization in Outlook. That's it. Your emails are now displayed individually. This adjustment can make sorting, searching, and prioritizing your messages much easier, especially if you manage a large volume of correspondence or need to locate a specific email quickly. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful in customizing your Outlook experience to better fit your email handling habits. Be sure to experiment with other settings in the View tab to discover additional ways to refine your inbox organization further. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.